Wait till these motherfuckers start joining. Wait till these motherfuckers start joining. Hold up. Damn. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah. Go crazy. Go fucking crazy. Go fucking crazy. Go fucking crazy, nigga. Go fucking crazy. Hey, that's 41, 43, 46. I'm fucking running this bitch. No, I'm playing. 47, 53. All of this nigga right now.
I heard Hallie James, and I'm like, I saw you a couple weeks ago running with your dad.
My dad?
Yeah, you're a guy.
Hey, hold up.
You're a guy.
Y'all need to follow that nigga right now. Follow that. Hey, 121, nigga. Fuck you mean? What do you mean?
I saw you. I'm like,
Hey, who wants some fucking clout, nigga? Who wants some fucking clout?
See my Facebook?
Who wants some fucking clout, nigga?
Fuck?
Alright, so. Shit, how is it going? It's going good, bro. It's going fucking good. I just watched myself blow up while I have my shit taken. So, I mean, I'm alright. I'm alright. What's good? What's good? What going? What going? What going?
Hell yeah.
Nigga, don't blow that shit in my fucking face like that. Nigga, I'm playing. No, I'm playing. It smells good as fuck. What is that?
Icy berry.
You did me? Let's see. What y'all niggas want to talk about? What y'all niggas want to talk? Oh, I need to talk about something. First off, I need to tell y'all right now, like, this shit is getting on my nerves. Don't stop comparing me to X. Don't compare me to X. Don't say I sound like X. Don't say none of that. Ain't none of that shit, bro. If you don't say that, unfollow me. Unfollow my shit. Cause I don't like that shit. I don't like it. I don't like it. That shit get on my nerves.
Hey, should I just go over there and spot this shit on there?
Jimmy? Who is Jimmy? Who is Jimmy? Who is Jimmy? Jimmy Flacco. Who is that? Who Jimmy Flacco? Wait, hold up. Who Jimmy Flacco? You say you my cousin? I don't know you. Hold up. You my cousin. If that's why I got clout, then don't give me fucking clout. Hey! Boy, what's up, boy? Yo! What's good, boy? Hold on, this my... Boy, go live with me, bro. Boy, go live with me. This my fucking cousin, nigga. I ain't seen this nigga in so fucking long. Boy, go live with me, bro. Go live with me. Go live with me. Request that shit, what? DM me. Pull up, nigga.
So I was on YouTube and I see this dude. I'm like, yo, this looks just like Jameer. I'm like,
Yo, I'm dead as fuck, bro. I miss you so fucking much, dude.
yo, this is crazy.
You my fucking nigga, bro.
Yeah.
Damn. Who's in my... I know, because...
Yeah.
There we go. Alright, let's see.
I see you be getting hearts up in there.
Yeah. 47. Let's see. 52. Don't let it stop at 52. 56. Don't let it stop. Don't let it stop. Don't let it stop. 67. 68.
Dude, I think it is stopping.
No, it's not stopping. It's gonna bump up. 74. Let's see. So, I gotta like talk to you guys about this. Me and the numeral beef is over. Like that whole beef ended like last month. So, just like, you know, clear it up. So, if you guys still think I have any type of beef with numeral, I don't. So, just in case you guys still thought that. 83.
Boy, let him do it.
So let's see. You guys want? You guys got?
I have to go ahead and sit you down for a second. Come on.
You guys got any? Like a couple seconds. Oh, he declined. Dang. English. So.
Did I see a rainbow heart?
It pops up like everyone. We live. We live.
No, you're not, bro. What are you talking about? He is live.